Model, 58-plate Vauxhall Vivaro TRAFIC short wheelbase, diesel 2.0 CDTI, 115 PS, 2.7 T long MOT body, white, panel van mileage, 179572 MOT, the 23rd of February 2024 engine, 1995 CCM 9R, 115 bhpg transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Has a slight gearbox whine in 4th and 6th gear. It does not affect the drive and can still be driven as it is. Either use it as it is or repair it when it breaks. Either way, it's a cheap ready-to-work Vivaro grin condition summary. Bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Genuine honest work van. Features: 3 former key